Our first hiking trip as a married couple. Trish has to be in front because she has the biggest stick, and she is now dubbed Gandalf the Grey. Here I am, trying to keep up with her, and I'm doing an okay job. Daniel, Katie are back there. Audrey. It's beautiful out here. Down here in the thick of Tally, there's my beautiful bride. She's pretty pissed at me because I broke her first walking stick with a nice clean ninja kick. I think she still loves me, perhaps.
But if you ever do that again, I'll have to kill you.
She said she might kill me. Wait, there's something out there. There's Audrey. Audrey! Daniel, Katie. Getting the workout in.
Hi.
That's it for now. Stardate log 1493. End.